is going on, you guys? So the first stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency, you guys. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, and that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. Helps us find our support and resistance lines, our exits, and our entries. So let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So we're up nearly 4% for the morning, you guys, even though we are on this clear downward trend. I'm going to first go over our support and resistance lines, and then we'll get into more on where we're at. Okay, so this top line represents our major resistance line, or the highest level of resistance that's been tested on this chart. And we can look left, we got rejected back here, 2 times back here. Initially, once we created or broke out through that resistance, it worked as a floor or support on the opposite side. So you can see that once we broke through this line, we came up and bounced from this area multiple times, bounced here, and I think that was it. And then once we broke back underneath, it started working as resistance again. So you can see we failed right here. It pushed us back down right there and pushed us back down over here. So now we are at our lowest level of support, or our lowest level of tested area. And you can see that we bounced from back here. We look left like Beyonce says. We bounced from over here. Then we have this huge candlestick wick that ends up being pushed all the way back up. And then the initial upward trend back here where we bounced from first. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys. You have to respect these lines, and this is why we use them, okay? So now if we look where we're at currently, you can see where we are currently resting on, okay? So even though we are in this downward trend and we are below the trend line, we are resting right on top of this major support line. And like I said, if we look left, this is a heavily tested area. We tend to bounce from this area. So would I consider this a good buy as of right now? Yes, I really do believe that this could be a good buy, but I would just to say be cautious. If you were to load up as of right now at this level of support, there could be a high chance of a reversal or a bounce. You can wait for a more clear direction. However, right now would be a good buying opportunity. Just have a mental stop loss, at least underneath our support line, and that being around maybe the 18-cent area. So if we do drop back below, you would want to get out and wait for a better entry, okay? But as of right now, like I said, I don't really see an issue with getting in. Your first target would be back up here at the 29-cent area, and then your second target being back at the 41-cent area, okay? So like I said, you guys, just be really, really cautious. Like I said, we are at this level of support, and it is a heavily tested area where we tend to reverse from. So I really don't see an issue with getting in. But like I said, be cautious. Have a mental stop loss, at least underneath our major support line. Like I said, that would be back around the 19 or 18-cent area, okay? But other than that, if this video helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.